And welcome to Skills Boost Lab, your go-to destination for mastering new technologies and staying ahead in the ever-evolving world of SAP. I am Sujit Kumar, and today we are diving into an exciting topic that's transforming the way business optimize their processes, SAP Signavio. What are we going to discuss today in this video? We are going to have a quick introduction to SAP Signavio. We will quickly go into brief history of SAP Signavio. We will quickly touch base the topics of automation, process mining, and BPMN. We will talk about the business transformation suite provided by SAP Signavio. We will touch base the different components of SAP Signavio, which includes process manager and journey modeler. We will give a quick introduction to process intelligence, process insights, process governance, and process collaboration hub. Let's start with the introduction to Signavio, what Signavio is all about. What is SAP Signavio? SAP Signavio is not one tool, but it's a collection of tools. It's a powerful suite of tools which helps us in achieving business transformation and managing our business process. It provides a comprehensive set of tools with features for modeling, analyzing, and optimizing business processes. SAP Signavio seamlessly integrates with the broader SAP ecosystem, and it makes business an essential tool to have in order to optimize their business processes. I'll give you a brief history of Signavio. Signavio was formed in 2009, and initial product Signavio Process Editor was launched in 2009. In 2012, Signavio came up with the new toolset, Process Collaboration Hub. In 2015, they launched Process Governance, which is also known as Workflow Accelerator. In 2017, they launched the Process Intelligence toolset, and in 2021, SAP acquired Signavio. Once SAP acquired Signavio, SAP is pushing Signavio as one of the important toolset in Business Process Intelligence Suite. Let's talk about some of the important terms which we'll come across when we learn about SAP Signavio. The first term is automation. Automation is the process of using technology to perform tasks or processes with minimal human intervention. The whole idea of automation is to decrease the labor cost and increase the efficiency of our systems. Process mining. Process mining is a data-driven methodology to extract insights from event logs to visualize, analyze, and optimize business processes. It leverages algorithms to discover, monitor, and enhance process efficiency, transparency, and compliance, offering organizations valuable insights for continuous improvement and decision making. When we talk about event logs, we are talking about different transactions which happens in any of the ERP. All the data captured along with the timestamp when that particular transactions happened is provided to a process mining software, and based on that input, it provides the output. Next thing is BPMN. BPMN is Business Process Modeling Notation and is a standardized graphical representative language used to model business process in a clear and consistent manner. It provides a set of symbols and conventions to depict the flow of activities, events, and decisions within a process, making it easier to understand and communicate complex processes across different stakeholders. It is similar to flowchart what we might have used in past, but it is more related to the business processes, and some of the pictorial representation of business processes are standardized so that it can be understood by anybody who is using any of the BPMN standard diagrams. SAP Signavio is also known as Business Transformation Suite. It is a comprehensive toolkit for organizational evolution, merging strategy, technology, and culture. It helps us in various stages of transformation, be it envisioning, documentation, analysis, collaboration, development, education, measurements, and improvement. So basically it helps us in all the business process areas, starting from modeling to improvement. It helps us in driving change. It helps us to motivate stakeholders, prioritizing transformation areas, refining process, and helps us to come up with new strategies. Let's now move to different components of Signavio. As we told that Signavio is a set of tools. Signavio basically helps in three areas. One is process modeling, second is automation, where we can automate our business process, and third is process intelligence. All the tools can be classified in broadly these three areas. Let's talk about process modeling. So we can see Process Manager is the tool which is helped to model our business processes in BPM and diagram. We also have Journey Modeler, which can be helped to create customer journeys. That is also part of Process Manager itself. Then we have Analytical Toolset, where we have Process Intelligence and Process Insights. These two toolset help us to analyze our existing business process and to give feedbacks, or help us to improve how we can make our improvement in our business processes. Process governance is also known as Workflow Builder. That is a tool which helps us to automate our business process, especially by development of workflows by which we can automate our business process. The last is Process Collaboration Hub. It's kind of an entry point for our Signavio, and where all the end users can collaborate between different and also perform their different tasks from this system. Let's talk a little bit more about Signavio Process Manager. Signavio Process Manager is a user-friendly and robust platform designed for business process management. It empowers organizations to swiftly and efficiently capture, enhance, and sustain their business processes on a large scale. It helps us to efficiently model our business process in BPMN format, and many other formats are supported. It helps us to simulate and analyze the processes for better decision making. It helps us to visually process interconnections for clarity. We can collaborate between different team members for a better understanding. It also helps us to generate detailed process reports to track performance and improvements. SAP Signavio Journey Builder is used to create customer journeys. It is a subset of Signavio Process Manager itself. It helps us to create customer journeys, and it also helps us to link those customer journeys to the processes designed in SAP Signavio Process Manager. It helps us to implement customer, employee, and supplier experience effectively. It also helps us to gain insights and enhance and revitalize your journey, basically from the standpoint of customers, suppliers, or our internal departments. It helps us to give you insights and helps us to transform the business processes from the customer journey, customer perspective. Now let's move to analysis, or I will say intelligence toolset, where we have two tools. One is Process Intelligence and one is Process Insights. Let's talk about Signavio Process Intelligence first. So Signavio Process Intelligence is a tool that helps business analyze their process data to gain insights and improve efficiency and streamline operations. It helps us to see how the process exactly work in your company, or I will say it's more like as is business process, what you are following in your company. To be is what we thought of, what we designed the process, but in real time, it will not be always you will be operating on to be business process. We will be having some variations in the business process, and that can be quickly identified using Signavio Process Intelligence. It helps us to identify the issues and solve issues as well. It helps us to find the bottleneck areas in your business process so that you can resolve them and make the business process more streamlined. It also helps us to collaborate between different team members, and it also helps us to take actions on any of the inputs or insights provided by Signavio Process Intelligence quickly. Signavio Process Insights is similar to Process Intelligence, but it is a little bit different. Let's understand the difference, what it is. SAP Signavio Process Intelligence is an open source tool where we can analyze any business process data can come from any ERP source. Signavio Process Insights is a tool available on SAP BTP platform, and it can connect with SAP solution only. But it provides a plug and gain approach. We might have heard that term, plug and gain, too much, and this is where SAP Signavio Process Insights come into picture. You can get the actionable insights on the same day you implement SAP Signavio Process Insights, or you connect SAP Signavio Process Insights with your SAP system. You can quickly identify the issues on your Signavio process, on your SAP business processes. It will also let you know the improvement areas and opportunities where you can improve your SAP processes. It can also suggest on the automations where we can have some desirable output if we implement some automations. Signavio Process Governance, also known as Workflow Builder, is a tool provided by Signavio for automating the business processes. It helps mostly in creating workflows. It has built configurable process governance workflows. It automates process release cycle management. This tool is basically used for creating workflows for our business processes. Signavio Process Collaboration Hub is a platform that allows teams to effectively collaborate on business processes within an organization. It provides a centralized space for teams to share, discuss, and optimize processes on time. It is also an entry point for all the Signavio toolset. Generally, all the end customers will log into Signavio Process Collaboration Hub, from where they can take action, or they can share their feedback, or they can perform any task if you have Signavio Process Governance. So all those things can be done in Process Collaboration Hub. It helps us to get the feedback and submit reviews on any of the business processes. It also helps us, the team members, to have our keep informed about the updates being made in any business process diagram. It is an entry point for all Signavio products, and you can get update from all Signavio products on the Collaboration Hub. This was a quick introduction to SAP Signavio. We discussed briefly all the SAP Signavio tool sets, what we have. If you have any questions, you can always find me at skillsboostlab@gmail.com. Please reach out to me and also share any feedback if you have. Thank you.